First up, the foldable phone. It opens like a book for a big screen, then folds back down to fit your pocket. Perfect for multitasking and looking sharp. Smart glasses. These look like everyday shades, but they can take calls, play music, and even record video. You'll feel like you are in a spy movie. Portable projector. Movie night anywhere. This mini projector fits in your bag and turns any wall into a big screen. Netflix on the ceiling? Why not? Wireless charging pad. Drop your phone on it and it starts charging. No cables, no plugging in, simple, clean, and fast. Noise cancellation earbuds. Block out the noise. These earbuds make your music or podcast sound crystal clear, whether you're in a traffic or in a flight. Mini drone. Palm-sized and powerful. Flight. Film with it and get those aerial shots you see all over Instagram. Smartwatch. Not just for telling time. Track your steps, check messages, and even take calls, all from your wrist. Handheld game console. Gaming anywhere you go. Console level graphics, long battery life, and perfect for travel or downtime. Bluetooth tracker. Stop losing your stuff. Stick it on your keys or wallet and find them instantly with your phone. Electric self-heating mug. Hot coffee hours later. This mug keeps your drink warm so you can sip it at your own pace. So, which of these gadgets would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tech every week.